This guide will help you disable automatic restrictions on Uber, ensuring a smoother experience while using the app. Follow these steps carefully to manage your settings effectively. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to view your account preferences. Step 3. Navigate to Privacy Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Privacy section. This is where you can manage various privacy-related options, including automatic restrictions. Step 4. Adjust automatic restrictions. Within the Privacy settings, find the option for Automatic Restrictions. Toggle this setting off to disable any automatic restrictions that may be applied to your account. Step 5. Save changes. After making the adjustments, ensure that you save the changes. You might need to confirm your selection or exit the settings for the changes to take effect. By following these steps, you can successfully disable automatic restrictions on Uber. Enjoy a more personalized experience while using the app.